Education is exciting, but can be stressful when considering the cost. There are many resources available to students to help pay for school and take away stress, including financial aid. Financial aid is a form of grants and scholarships to help make education attainable and affordable. I'd like to go over our top tips when it comes to financial aid. Tip 1. Apply early for FAFSA grants and scholarships. And apply for everything you can. You'll thank yourself later for submitting the applications. Tip 2. Even if you don't think you'll be eligible, apply anyway. Sometimes groups from other scholarships are pulled from those that have submitted their FAFSA application. Tip 3. Don't be afraid to reach out to our financial aid department. They are here to help you. Contact information can be found at mtech.edu under the Financial Aid tab. If you're concerned that registration opens soon and you haven't yet heard about your financial aid eligibility, we recommend first that you self-pay for the program, if possible. By doing this, it gets you into the program, and then you can work with financial aid to receive a refund once eligibility comes through. Aside from these tips, it's helpful to understand that MTech uses a software called Scholarship Universe to make scholarships accessible to students. Scholarship Universe is a platform that houses all scholarships and application information. When setting up a profile, the more information you give, the more scholarships you can possibly match with. We hope you take advantage of all the financial aid assistance that's available to you. Now, for the step you've been waiting for, check out our next video to learn how to register for your program.